Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to practice talking about family in English. You'll learn simple words and easy sentences that you can use in everyday conversations. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends who also want to improve their English. And of course, leave a comment below to practice writing about your own family. Alright, let's begin.
Hi David. How are you today?
Hi Sarah, I'm good. A little tired from work. How about you?
Same. Busy day. I thought we could talk about family today.
Good idea, family is important. Do you want me to start?
Sure. Tell me about your parents.
My parents are retired. My dad worked in a bank. My mom was a nurse. They live in the countryside.
Nice. Do you visit them often?
Yes, about once a month. They like gardening now. My mom grows flowers. My dad grows vegetables.
Sounds peaceful. Do you have siblings?
Yes, one older sister. She is married and has 2 kids.
Oh, so you are an uncle.
Yes, a boy and a girl. The boy is 7, the girl is 5. They are playful.
Do you spend time with them?
Yes, we play games when I visit. They love Lego and hide and seek.
That's fun. Okay, my turn. I live with my parents. My dad is an engineer. My mom is a teacher.
That's great. Do you get along well?
Most of the time. My mom and I are close. We cook together. My dad is quiet, but he's kind.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one younger brother. He studies computer science. He plays too many games.
Haha, typical student. Are you close with him?
We used to fight. Now we are better. We watch movies and eat out sometimes.
That's good. I think we respect family more as we grow up.
Do you see your grandparents often?
Not much. My father's parents passed away. My mother's parents live far away. We call often, but visits are rare.
My grandparents live nearby. We see them almost every weekend. My grandfather likes walking. My grandmother loves baking.
Do you bake with her?
Sometimes, but mostly I eat.
That's the best part. Do you have cousins?
Yes, 6 cousins. My mom has 4 sisters, so our family is big. We meet on holidays.
That must be noisy.
Yes, very noisy, but also full of love.
I have 3 cousins, 2 boys and 1 girl. We played football in the street when we were kids.
Do you still talk to them?
Not much now. Everyone is busy, but we text sometimes.
Do you celebrate holidays with family?
Yes, we always celebrate Christmas. We meet at my parents' house. My mom cooks a big dinner.
What is her best dish?
Roast chicken, also mashed potatoes, and apple pie.
Yum. My family celebrates New Year's Eve more. We stay up late. We eat snacks and watch fireworks.
Do your cousins join?
Yes, uncles and aunts too. The house is full. We play music and dance.
Wow, that's lively. My family is quieter. After dinner, we talk or play board games.
That's nice too. Traditions don't need to be big. They just need love.
True.
Do you have funny family stories?
Yes, once I baked a cake, I used salt instead of sugar. It was terrible. My sister still teases me.
That's funny. I also have one. Last year, my cousin hid the TV remote. We couldn't watch the countdown until midnight.
Kids are so mischievous.
Yes, but they make memories.
Did your family have many rules?
Yes. Dinner together every night. Homework before TV.
Same here. My dad was strict about homework. My mom helped with science. My dad helped with math.
That's nice. My dad helped me with math too.
Do you think families are different now?
Yes. People use phones too much. Even when we sit together, everyone is looking at a screen.
Same here. That's why I like family dinners. No phones allowed.
Yes, me too.
Do you want a big family in the future?
No. Maybe 2 children. That's enough.
Same. 2 is perfect. Enough noise, not too hard.
Do you want a boy or girl?
I don't mind. Healthy is enough.
Me too. Healthy and happy.
Do you want to live near your parents?
Yes, I don't want to move far. Family support is important.
Same. I like visiting my parents often.
Some people move away and lose touch.
That's sad, but even far away, we can still call.
Do you look more like your mom or dad?
I look like my dad. But my character is more like my mom. She is caring.
I look like my mom, but I act more like my dad. He is calm.
That's a good mix. Families shape us.
Yes, they do.
Who is more important, family or friends?
Hard question. Both are important, but family comes first.
I agree, friends may change, family stays.
Yes, we can fight, but we forgive fast.
Exactly. That's the family bond.
Do you want to keep the same traditions when you have kids?
Yes, I want family dinners and holiday celebrations.
Me too. I want my kids to enjoy family time.
Each family makes its own traditions too.
Yes, and those become memories.
Do you remember your childhood home?
Yes. I remember the smell of my mom's cooking. I remember my dad fixing things in the garage.
I remember playing football outside with my sister. We argued about rules, but it was fun.
Childhood memories are priceless.
Yes, families teach us values and give us support.
I agree. I'm grateful for mine, even when they annoy me.
Same here, they annoy me, but I wouldn't trade them.
Do your parents tell family stories?
Yes, my dad often talks about his childhood. He grew up in a small town without electricity.
Wow, that's so different from today.
Yes, he said they used to study under oil lamps.
My mom tells me stories about when she was a student. She worked part-time to pay for books.
That shows how hardworking she is.
Do you keep family photos?
Yes, my mom has big photo albums. We look at them on holidays.
Same here. I like seeing old hairstyles and clothes. They look funny now.
Haha, yes, my dad had very long hair in the 70s.
My mom wore big glasses. She laughs when we tease her.
Old photos always make us smile.
Do you have any family traditions for birthdays?
Yes, we always eat cake together. Even if it's small, we celebrate.
That's sweet. In my family, we sing loudly. Very loudly.
Haha, that sounds fun and embarrassing at the same time.
Do you want to travel with your family one day?
Yes, a big trip together, maybe to the seaside.
My dream is a family trip to Europe. I want to see Paris with my parents.
That would be amazing. Memories last longer than things.
True. Do you help your parents now?
Yes, I help them with shopping or fixing things at home.
I help my mom with the computer. She always forgets passwords.
Haha, same with my dad. Technology is hard for them.
But they taught us so much. Now it's our turn to teach them.
Exactly, family is about helping each other.
Do you think you will be a strict parent?
I think I'll be patient, but I'll set some rules. What about you?
Same. Not too strict, but I want respect.
Balance is important.
Do you think family shapes our future?
Yes, they guide us, support us, and influence our choices.
That's true. I think our values come from them.
And our traditions too.
Family is like the roots of a tree.
Beautiful comparison. Without roots, we cannot grow.
Do you think families today spend enough time together?
Not really, everyone is busy, but even short moments together are valuable.
True. I enjoy dinner time the most.
Me too, eating together makes us feel connected.
What's one thing you're most grateful to your family for?
Their support, they always believe in me, you.
Their love. Even when I make mistakes, they stand by me.
That's the strength of family.
Do you think we'll tell our kids the same stories one day?
Definitely, family stories keep memories alive.
I'm glad we talked about family today. It makes me feel warm inside.
Same here, it reminds me how lucky I am.
Talking about family makes me happy. I think I'll call my mom tonight.
That's sweet, I'll call my parents too. Have a nice evening, Sarah.
You too, David.
Bye.